Okay, I just wanted to make a note that I just finished recording this. I picked up the car from Tesla repair center or the service center around 6:30 something, and right now is 6:50, and the recording here does show the thump thump noise that was present during my drive home. So I just wanted to document the time. So today, being March 9th, right now at 6:51 p.m.